This time a medical research team conducted a study to test the effect of cholesterol-reducing medication. At the end of the study, the researchers found that 4,700 randomly selected subjects who took the medication, 301 died of heart disease. Of the 4,300 who took the placebo, 357 died of heart disease. At an alpha level of 0.01, can you conclude the death rate for heart disease is lower for those who took the medication? Okay, so we have random, it's random. We have those that took the medication versus those that took a placebo. They're independent of each other. We have that P bar is equal to 301 plus 357 divided by 4,700 plus 4,300. That's going to give us 0.073111111, which gives us a Q bar of 1 minus that, which is 0.9268888. And if I do N P bar, that's going to give me 4,700 times 0.0731111, which is greater than 5, and N Q bar, which is 4,700 times 0.9268888. And if I did the other N, which would be 4,300 times 0.0731111, that is also greater than 5, and 4,300 times 0.92688 is also greater than 5. So my conditions have been met. I need a null and alternate hypothesis. They're asking me, can you conclude that the death rate due to heart disease is lower for those who took the medication than those who took the placebo? So the proportion who took the medicine would be lower than those who took the placebo. That's the claim. Therefore, greater than or equal to would be the null hypothesis. That means it is a left-tailed test. That's 0.01. And the z-score for 0.01 is negative 2.326. That's what I want to test my claim against. Now for this one, I'm going to jump right to using the calculator. I'm going to hit the stat button. I'm going to move over to tests. I'm going to do a 2 proportion z test. And I'm going to enter my statistical data. The statistical data that I'm going to enter, stat test 2 proportion z test. My x sub 1 is going to be 301. My n sub 1 is 4,700. My x sub 2 is 357. N sub 2 is 4,300. I'm going to do a less than P2 option and calculate. I come up with a z of negative 3.455163927. I come up with a p-value of 2.75 times 10 to the negative 4. That means I have to move that decimal place 4 places to the left. That means that's 0.000275. That's a really small p-value. Therefore, since this z-score is well within that region, we can reject the null hypothesis. There is enough evidence to support the claim that the death rate due to heart disease is lower for those taking the medication than those taking the placebo. And you're going to be doing page 475, 1 through 23, every other odd.